If you have ever wanted to share files between your phone and computer really fast, or if you are looking for a simple way to move pictures or videos or even apps without cables, you probably wondered how to get SHAREIT on your computer or laptop. In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and install SHAREIT on your laptop or computer. Even if you have no idea how to do this, you're gonna be able to get SHAREIT on your computer. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, you're gonna open any browser. Maybe you can just open Chrome. You're gonna go to the search bar and type in SHAREIT Microsoft Store. Here you're going to look for this website. You're going to open this link. And here you're going to click on free download. Here, scroll down and click on free download again. What you're going to need to do here is you're going to wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded. You're going to go to the downloads folder here, and then you're going to click here, and then you're going to click on install. And this is how you can download and install SHAREIT on your laptop or computer. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.